This is my husband Luke. We made a bad decision. We sold our house, bought a boat, quit our jobs, and now we're sailing around the world. Welcome to Bad Decisions Yacht Club, where you're just one bad decision away from greatness. Come and join us. It's 0.2 true wind speed.
Yep, that's right. Hopefully once we get out of here we can find a bit more.
Last week we left you in Airlie Beach. As beautiful as the Whitsundays are, and as much as we would have loved to have stayed longer, it was time to keep pushing north. Goodbye, Ellie! Are you sad to be leaving?
Yeah, but I'm also excited for the next chapter.
Okay.
I want to go on record to say I hate wearing the microphone. I think it's shit. I look like a knob. I look like I'm part of the Big Brother castmates.
What's going on?
Well, we've got 4 knots of wind, which leaves us with 3 knots of apparent wind. We're heading away from Airlie to Gloucester Island, or Cape Gloucester. We're leaving Airlie because we're now heading north to go join the wonderful Sail to Indonesia rally in Cairns. So we have to be in Cairns around, we're hoping to be in Cairns mid-June. Dates aren't really important, are they? Because I mean we're always behind in the videos. But we're hoping to be in Cairns to meet up with some of the rally guys, and then from there we pick up my dad, who is got a crew for us.
Alan.
Yeah, so Alan, Big Al.
Big Al, yeah.
We'll give him a nickname, Big Al. It's good for a fish review, so that'll be handy. Big Al will be joining us in Cairns, and Big Al will be crewing. So we'll have to give him a title. We'll put it out to the fans, all 3 of them, and ask them who they what they reckon his title should be on board.
Yeah.
So exciting times, international, baby. We're taking this show international. But I'm excited too because, I mean, I watch a lot of, sailing YouTube. I'm a bit of a nerd when it comes to that sort of stuff. And I haven't really, apart from like a handful of people, I mean, Wind Hippie Sailing and Slim and Soph, they did like all up north this way. But I haven't seen too many people do a lot of stuff north of Whitsundays. So, in Australia, it'd be good to see, like it'd be good to find out for ourselves. And
yeah, is there a reason why people don't do it?
Yeah. I think it's just less and less people go this far north. A lot of people go to Whitsundays, which is the Australian sailing mecca. Like, everything you want is in Whitsundays.
Yeah.
Which is a bit disappointing. Like, why aren't we just staying here?
Yeah, I know.
But I mean, I'm excited. Townsville's going to be good. I'm excited to go to Magnetic Island, and I hope we get a couple of days in Magnetic Island. Like some good weather.
Yeah.
Spend a couple of days, hire a little mini moke, and go cruising around the island. That'd be fun.
Would be fun. Okay.
Done? Can I take the microphone off now?
Yes. With hardly any wind around, we got underway, hoisted the sails, and even cracked out the spinnaker pole.
Ready? Lock off the sheet.
It is. On the main sheet?
Yeah, and then put the halyard on the winch, please. Out. Okay, ready? Let me have this sheet.
Huh?
Let me have this sheet.
Yeah.
Up on the halyard. Up on the halyard. Oh shit, hang on. Pull that, traveller back, pull away. No, this one. The car, sorry. So that car, unlock it. Quick, come on. Keep this off. It's not going to unfurl if everything's tight. fucking winches. Let's do something. I'm sitting here in the fucking big sheet. Oh, come on, mate. Come on there. There's no fucking wind anyway. Yeah, 6 knots of wind, but it's not fucking moving at all.
Oh.
.7 and oh, can I get that? About 9 knots of true wind speed. So we're going pretty slow today. The conditions were absolutely stunning. It might not have been great sailing weather, but with seas this calm, there was no way Luke was passing up the chance to get the drone up for some epic shots. So scary every time.
That's it, muscles. Do it. You can do it. Go. Yeah, good one.
Okay.
Shorten up the sheet.
There we go.
Righto.
Okay, ready.
Okay, turning up into the wind. Okay. Keep going.
I'm going.
By late afternoon, we pulled into Queens Bay, dropped the anchor and settled in for a relaxing evening.
Smoky.
There's something pretty special about ending the day on the water with a barbecue, cold drink in hand, and an incredible sunset lighting up the sky. The next morning, it was another early start. With light winds forecast once again, we immediately pulled out the spinnaker. Okay. Unfortunately, it was pretty short-lived. With barely enough breeze to keep it filled, it spent more time flapping around than actually helping us along, so we ended up bringing it back down.
Are you ready?
Just filling up our water tanks. I'm going to try to do it on a regular basis, a little bit every day. Tried with the spinnaker, but that was flapping around. True wind speed is about 2 knots, so we just got the engine running. Otherwise, we'll never make it. Oh shit!
Don't get too excited, we'll probably lose it.
Okay.
Well, it's probably just a bit of fucking...
Nah, you got something. Whoa.
Get the gas. 'Cause- 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 Slow down. Pull the engine. Stop the engine. Stop the engine. Engine off. Not off, but yeah, slow it down. I lost it.
What? Oh, what?
Big fucking fish though, wasn't it?
It was big.
So, we can either stop here, which is Cape Upstart.
Yeah.
If we stop here, then we've got a 68 nautical mile trip tomorrow, and it goes north to northeast tonight, the wind does. And then there'd be 68 nautical miles of us just with the wind straight on our nose. And if we tack out and then tack back in, you're now looking at like 100 nautical mile a day, rubbish. And the winds are going to be light anyway.
The winds will be light tomorrow.
Yeah.
How light?
2 knots.
2 knots the wind is tomorrow.
2 knots gusting to 8, and then after 1 o'clock it goes 9 gusting 11. We can't count on that, and even if it is, it's light, but it's wind but on your nose. If we go Cape Bowling Green tonight, the wind looks like it will be pretty good protection there, and I mean after 10 o'clock tonight, like it's at 10 o'clock it's 7 knots gusting to 11. So really, it's gonna be, it might be a little bit rolly, but it's not gonna be bad.
What did the book say?
The book says
It's a shit anchorage.
Cape Bowling Green lies 41 nautical miles from Cape Upstart and 33 nautical miles from Horseshoe Bay. 74 nautical miles is a long passage for sailboats at least, so Cape Bowling Green looks like a perfectly positioned halfway anchorage, except it is not. The fetch for anything other than northeast is large. So all it's saying there is that the fetch is the time a wave has, or the distance a wave travels without being interrupted. The fetch for a northeasterly is nothing. So there won't be swell for what wind we're going to get tonight. Fingers crossed. Cape Bowling Green gets a bad rap, but I think in this situation, it's the only option we've got.
So if we stay at Cape Bowling Green tonight, how long to get to Magnetic Island?
33 nautical miles to go tomorrow.
And you reckon we'll just motor?
We'll have no other option but the moment, right?
So that will take like 4 hours or so.
But because we're on a deadline, we got to keep pushing north.
So potentially we could be in for a rolly night.
Potentially, yeah. More upset about that fucking fish I just lost. Why do I keep losing fish?
Just not good at fishing.
What's going on?
2 knots of wind, 1.9, 1.8.
Yeah. But the apparent wind's dead in front of us.
Yeah,
So what's the apparent wind?
dead ahead. Yeah, there's just not really.
Alright, we'll just feel that. It's up there.
Not ready.
Fuck's sake. What the fuck's going on here? Hello. Fucking hell. Okay. Right, hang on, hold it there. Is that wrapped?
Huh?
A bit more?
I can't see any more on the curling drum.
So off we headed for Cape Bowling Green. The next morning we were up early again, though this time we were excited because our destination was the one we had been looking forward to for a while, Magnetic Island. But this morning our fishing luck had slightly improved.
Yay! Oh! Ah!
What?
Just jumping around.
You get the Sorry, I don't like around in there.
The hook gets stuck.
Ah, fuck!
Are you okay?
Can you help me get this net off?
Yeah.
I've got him.
Yeah, give me a glove.
I need gloves so I can fucking hold him.
I need a glove too. See, it's gonna...
Grab this glove over here then. Fuck's sake, this fucking net. You gotta learn to get some gapping.
Okay.
Go, get the net off. You gotta get the net off, please. Get the fuck right in the fucking finger.
Kill it first.
This fucking net. Right, we gotta use the gaffer now.
Okay.
Get that.
Here.
Get something. Get some pliers, please.
Pliers.
Right,
Hey.
take the net away, please.
Yep. Hold it up to the camera.
Well, I think I'm gonna let him go because he's fucking pretty small.
Okay. Alright. Sorry.
Ah,
Okay, just
fuck
let
it.
him go. Oh, he's alright. Wow. After all that. Jeez. A few hours later, it was time to put the sails away as we finally pulled into Magnetic Island.
It's a little town in there where we had lunch. Going back to the boat.
Oh, and that's all on the other side.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! The next day, it was time to swap the boat for something a little different, and we hired a topless jeep to explore the island. Our first stop was Picnic Bay. Then it was time to head over to one of Magnetic Island's most popular attractions, the Fort's Walk. The walk offers incredible views over the island and surrounding bays, and if you're lucky enough, you might even spot a koala or two sleeping in the gum trees.
Okay, more bats. Just what I like.
Bats.
I fucking love bats.
Look out!
Let's get the shit out of here.
After the hike, we headed over to Alma Bay, one of the island's most beautiful beaches, before making our way to Magnetic Island Koala Park. We got up close with all sorts of native wildlife, including black cockatoos, baby crocodiles, koalas, wombats, and snakes.
feel like I had an unfair advantage there being as tall as I am.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
To finish off the day, we headed to the Arcadia Village Hotel to experience something that seems to be becoming a bit of a tradition this trip, cane toad races.
And we're racing.
Unfortunately, we didn't walk away with any winnings this time, but it was still a hilarious way to end an amazing day exploring Magnetic Island.
Beautiful for the cup.
Join us next week as we continue our journey north up the coast of Queensland, discover more hidden gems, and see Luke getting himself into some rather tight situations.